Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to split a Google slide into 3 distinct parts. Begin by launching Google Drive. Ensure you are logged into your account by entering your credentials and clicking Next. Protecting your data is vital, so signing in is the necessary first move. Once you reach the dashboard, locate your Google Slides file, which might be stored in My Drive or a shared workspace if you are working with a team. After opening your presentation, find the Layout menu situated in the top toolbar. Click on it to view the various options. While Google provides several presets, we will create a custom one. Select the Title and 2 Columns option. This gives us a 2-section base which we will expand into 3. You will see a title area at the top and 2 main body sections below. Now, select both existing text boxes by clicking them. We need to shrink their width to accommodate a 3rd column. Drag the edges of these boxes to make them narrower, ensuring there is enough room on the slide. Try to maintain even spacing between them. To add the final section, click one of the boxes and copy it using the right-click menu or the Ctrl+C, CMD+C on Mac shortcut. Paste it back onto the slide using right-click or Ctrl+V, CMD+V on Mac. A new text box will appear, which you must now align with the others. Use the click and drag technique to position it correctly. Utilize the built-in grid lines to ensure everything is symmetrical and balanced. Your goal is to make all 3 columns identical in size for a professional look. This might take a few minor adjustments. You now have a slide perfectly partitioned into 3 areas, ideal for comparing data or organizing ideas clearly. Effective presentation is about how you display your message. With this layout, your slides will be much more impactful. Thanks for watching and enjoy your design process. See you in the next one.